I'm back with another informative video for you, and I'm in the Bloom Room office. And what I want to show you today is I'm going to show you how to utilize our supply list that we put on Keleascom. And if you're a design school student or you are just a customer who's not familiar with design school yet, I'm going to teach you all about that so you can learn everything. So those of you who are new to Keleascom and our channels, welcome. We're so glad you're here, and it is truly an honor to get to inspire you with floral design. It is my pleasure and what I love to do. So thank you for being here, number one. Now I'm going to pop over to Keleas.com. That's Keleas.com. That's our website. And that's what you're going to need to type in to get to where you see here. We'll put a link down in the comments. Ask if you need help. We're here to help you. You can always email us at info@Keleas.com. We'll walk you through the process. But this is our website you see in front of me here. And I talked about supply lists. So I'm going to go up here and click on supply lists. And if you're doing this on the mobile version, you're just going to want to click on the little hamburger and click on supply list when it opens. When you come in here, you're going to see an assortment of projects that we've done lately or released lately. So right now you see this one right here that says the sunflower swag with check bow. Let's go take a look at that supply list because you're going to be blown away what's available when you get into here to help you. So immediately it's going to tell you the supplies we used in this project, and you can see them right here. And what's available, what's not, what's going on. And as you come down, you're going to get into the description of the project. And that is so important because guess what? If it has a public video that you can watch it on Facebook or you can watch it on YouTube right here. If we have it on TikTok or it's able to be on Instagram, it just depends on the link. The links will be right there for you too. So wherever you like to watch your videos, you can watch them there. It's so super easy. Now, in here is also the individual supplies and how many we used in there. So you can see what we used and where all the assets are. So if I wanted to go watch this on YouTube right now, I could click over to YouTube. And there it's going to come. So here it is. There is the actual project that we just used the supply list for. And we went over to YouTube to find that. I just backed up and I'm coming back to the supply list. And there's pictures of here so you can see how it's made and all the goodies. But how great is that? So I'm going to go back to supply lists and I'm going to show design school students now how their supply lists are. So like here is a new project that we did this week, and it is going to be, when you click on it, it's going to be password protected. So if you're a design school student, you have the password you'll know for each project to put in there and you can access that. So we make sure to password protect design school projects so that those supplies are available to those in design school first and foremost. So they're able to do the projects that they have been waiting to learn step by step. So as you go through, you can see all kinds of different projects in here, but I encourage you to come and check out the supply list because they have everything you need for the step-by-step process of making that project. So let's say you wanted to see how to do this simple bow. You can do the same thing here. Click on it. And right now that means that this bow is up on the social media. So that Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, TikTok, or YouTube. You can watch this video anywhere. And guess what? There's more links in here to everything we used. The bow maker, we tell you where we use the bow so you can see how helpful we try to make it for you. And I don't want you to miss a beat when you are following us around, and I don't want you to be lost because we are putting in a ton of work to make this super easy for you to use the assets we have available for you on our website. I want you to be inspired to create with beautiful florals, and I want it to be easy. And once you kind of play around, you get an idea of where everything is, we would love to have you in design school because that's where I'm going in depth every week, step by step, so you can be a successful designer and kind of learn the steps you need to have pieces that have great flows, great energy, great lines, and of course that depth dimension that I always talk about bringing you more money when you become a seller. And best of all, the most beautiful wreaths on your own door. And decorating for the holidays has never been easier once you get in class. Make sure you utilize those supply lists, whether you're a student right now or not, because they have so many assets right in here for you. So you can go there, click on the one you want to go into, and if it's password protected, that means it's a design school only project. But here you can see it's updating right now, and we're coming into all kinds of good supply lists that we have available for you on Keleascom. So I bet you didn't know that all that was right there at your fingertips. So come on over to the website, check it out, and have fun and definitely get inspiration. All right, y'all. Don't forget to go shopping. We can't wait to ship you out the best supplies there are. I love it. Y'all have fun with flowers. Bye, Blue Merinos.